Alrighty, guys, got the coffee on deck. I'm ready to rock and roll. I hope you guys are crushing it and having a great Sunday and are ready for this week coming up for SoFi stock. We're in a very interesting position. We have to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, and of course, where I see SoFi going in the short term. But first, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and get up to 15 stocks from Moo. Once you open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. It's the best deal right now, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So SoFi on Friday actually had a very good day, which is even better considering the fact that the entire stock market collapsed. We had the indexes, the S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, Russell, all go down a good chunk. The VIX was up a lot, and we had SoFi up almost 2% in the midst of a pretty bad red day where volatility spiked up. The VIX was at 16, it looks like, as of close on Friday, and SoFi, again, 1.7% green day. It uptrended all day. We opened up at around 13.30, saw a bit of an initial sell-off there to about $13, but from that point, guys, we made higher lows and higher highs for the rest of the day. We uptrended all day on the intraday, and on the 5-day chart now, we can see last week's trading was pretty much consolidation, right? We can see clearly we held about $13.30 to about $14 per share the entire week after we had a nice pop on Monday morning. It looks like here we hit about $14.44 on Monday morning, I guess exactly $14.44. And after that, we slipped a little bit, but we pretty much traded sideways the entire week, slightly red. Not that big of a deal, pretty much sideways trading. And on the 10-day, 30-minute chart, now we can see, wait a minute here, we got the pop last Monday. We were a bit overbought at that point. Then we consolidated a bit, and now we popped on Friday. This kind of looks like we're continuing an uptrend, does it not? It looks like we bounced and we closed over both moving averages here on the 30-minute chart on Friday. And it looks like we're bouncing. We did bounce to end off the week. And I'm interested to see if that continues into Monday. If SoFi does something like this, maybe we gap up Monday morning. Maybe we take out the highs from Friday, Thursday, which would be huge. If it does do that, that'd be a confirmation that we're running towards 14 again. Maybe we're going towards the highs from last Monday, being in the mid-14s. So 30-minute chart looks really good. The 1-hour chart obviously looks phenomenal, and you can see pretty much everything I just said on the 30-minute chart. We can see exactly that here on the 1-hour chart. We can see clearly we're holding an uptrend, excuse me. As of Friday, we closed above the 50 SMA, which we were under it kind of a little bit on Wednesday and all of Thursday. So we recovered over that 50 moving average on Friday, closed over it, which is huge, and we bounced off the 180 SMA here. So looks like to me, guys, trend is continuing, and we could be gearing up for a breakout again. Keep your eyes on the gap up tomorrow morning. If we push 1380, 14 in the pre-market, we could be getting ready for another run. That could be setting us up for another run. And here on the 4-hour chart, if I zoom in a little bit, you guys can see clearly a bunch of green candles above the 50 moving average here. Buyers are obviously coming in, clear as day. Uptrends obviously holding. And look, if we crack out 1380, $14, this could go a lot higher, like I've been saying. And let me actually draw this out for you guys. we have this channel. If I draw it out, you can see we're still in this downwards channel technically over the last couple of days. This shows it a lot better on the 30-minute chart. Again, we kind of traded flat to sideways last week, but I guess you could also see the channel here. However you slice and dice it, guys, we got to get out of this, man. We got to get out of $13.80, $14, and we could see a lot more upside. So I'm going to set my alert at $13.80. Mark is at or above for this upcoming week for Monday, really. And I'll set another one at $14 per share. Mark is at or above. There we go. So let's see, guys. Let's see if we get out of there. If so, again, we could be running even more. And let me pull up the max chart on SoFi here, guys. I'm actually curious. It looks like now we're struggling kind of to break out of 13.50.14, which I mentioned to you guys before here on the channel, which is why you have to subscribe. I think 75% of you watch the content, but you're not subscribing for some odd reason, so make sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 50,000. We've mentioned how before $13.50 to $14, that was support all throughout 2021 heading into 2022, which in 22 we then broke under it, obviously. But since it was support a couple years ago, we're slightly under it now. It's resistance, right? So this needs to break. If SoFi could get out of this point, man, we could be really messing around in the mid-high teens, and who knows, eventually maybe back to the 20s. So my alerts are set. I'm ready. I'm ready to rock and roll for this week, guys. And obviously, I'm long SoFi. My average cost is $6.80, full disclosure. And I'm not looking to sell. I'm holding on. I'm not buying more here either, to be honest. I'm just holding on. And I'm curious kind of what you guys are doing. Let me know in the comments down below. But that's a quick breakdown heading into this brand new week. And guys, it's going to be a good one. Like I mentioned in my video earlier today, we have a lot of companies reporting earnings. We're coming off of a red Friday, which could be setting us up for a nice bounce back on Monday, Tuesday. As you guys can see, SPY is holding trend. It came down nicely, very healthy pullback. Same thing on Triple Q. So I feel like heading into Monday now, we're setting up pretty nicely. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? Let me know your thoughts. But overall, that's what we're looking like on SPY, Triple Q, the Dow, the Russell even, you name it. All of these have seen healthy pullbacks. We've come down to good spots. And now the million-dollar question is, will the dips get bought up? Time will tell, guys. Time will tell. I kind of have a feeling that they will. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, I don't want to keep you all much longer here, so hit the like button while you're at it. Make sure to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo once you fund your account using that link down below. With at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash bonus, cash reward, pretty much $30 for free by just depositing $100 and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, and overall your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY as of now. So guys, hit the like button, subscribe, get your free stocks using the links down below or by going to stocksurfast.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheers. Peace out.